Using FreshBooks for beginners involves setting up your account, managing invoices, tracking expenses, and handling other basic accounting tasks. Here's a concise guide to get started. Sign up and log in. Visit the FreshBooks website and sign up for an account. Log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. Set up your account. Company profile. Enter your business details, including your logo, contact information, and currency preferences. Customize invoices. Personalize your invoice templates with your branding and payment terms. Create invoices. Go to the Invoices section and click Create New Invoice. Add client details, itemize services or products provided, and specify payment terms. Send invoices directly via email or download them as PDFs. Track expenses. Navigate to the Expenses tab to record business expenses. Upload receipts and categorize expenses for accurate bookkeeping. Use the mobile app to capture receipts on the go. Manage clients and projects. Add new clients in the Clients section, storing contact information and billing details. Create and manage projects, assigning tasks and tracking time spent. Track time. Use the time tracking feature to log hours worked on projects. Assign track time to invoices for accurate billing. Financial reports. Access various reports like profit and loss, expenses, and payments collected under the Reports tab. Use these reports to monitor your business's financial health. Integrations. Connect FreshBooks with other apps you use, such as payment gateways, CRM tools, and project management software.